Magandang buhay! I'm Teacher Maricar of Angeles Elementary School. Today, you will learn a lesson in mathematics. Today, we will discuss about solving routine and non-routine problems involving addition of whole numbers. There are situations in our life when we need to solve problems involving addition of whole numbers. In playing, you count the toys that you have or the friends who join the game. If you intend to buy something, you count your money to know if it's enough to buy the things that you need. Hence, in your day-to-day life, you apply problem-solving skills. The problem that you encounter can be routine or non-routine problems. In the previous lesson, you've performed addition. You've mastered adding numbers with and without regrouping. For this lesson, we will focus on solving routine and non-routine problems involving addition. Let's study carefully the examples. Take note how our answers being obtained. Remember that the process of obtaining the answer is as important as the answer itself. Let's start with the first example. Josephine sold 50 pieces of rice cake. Leticia sold 65 pieces of rice cake. How many pieces of rice cake were sold? The table shows a systematic way of answering the problem. You identified what you have, what you want to find out, and what you need to do. You use addition to get the total number of pieces of rice cakes. You were able to determine that there are 115 pieces of rice cake sold. Let us try another example. A rectangular table can seat 6 persons. If two tables are placed side by side, it can seat 10. If three tables are placed side by side, it can seat 14. How many persons can be accommodated if there are 5 rectangular tables placed side by side? In solving this problem, we can use illustrations. One table can seat 6 persons. If we add another table, it can seat 10 persons. If we add another table, it can seat 14 persons. Then if we add another table, it can seat 22 persons. In solving routine and non-routine problems, remember to do the following. First, understand the problem. Make sure that you understand the words used and the problem is clear to you. Determine what is given and what is asked. You should have all the information that you need to solve the problem. Next, make a plan. You can use different strategies and tools in solving problems. You can draw figures, diagrams, and illustrations. You can use tables and representation. You can guess and test when needed to check if your plan will help you obtain the answer to the problem. You need to identify the operation to be used and what number sentence is needed. Next is carry out the plan. Answer the number sentence by showing your solution to get your answer. Lastly is to look back. You need to check if your answer is correct that satisfies the condition of the problem. In solving routine and non-routine word problems, we simply follow the Agona method. A for ask, G for given, O for operation, N for number sentence, and A for answer. This time, let's try to answer problem number 3 by simply following the Agona method. Jane is a fruit vendor at Matty Market. She sold 90 pomelos, 786 oranges, and 158 apples during the holiday season. What was the total number of fruits she sold? What is being asked in the problem? Very good. The total number of fruits she sold. What are the given? We have 90 pomelos, 786 oranges, and 158 apples. What operation are we going to use? We will use addition. What would be our number sentence? Using our given, we will have 90 plus 786 plus 158 equals n, or any number. This time, we will try our number sentence by simply adding all the given. 90 plus 786 plus 158 is 1034. Jane was able to sold 1034 fruits. I hope you learned something from our lesson. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe and God bless.